guys, this is Jenna with Resort TV1, and today we checked into our hotel here at Disneyland, and we are staying at the Disneyland Hotel. And I am so excited. I have not stayed here since I think I was in middle school, so it's completely different, and I'm just so excited. Our room is amazing. We already have been in here, checked it out a little bit, so I'm excited to show it to you guys because there's something very, very special that we have a view of. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's start out with showing you the room, and then we'll show you the really cool thing right at the end. So hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, so walk in the door, and the first thing, it's kind of like a corner room here, and the first thing that we see is this. I'm assuming it's a closet. Oh yeah, oh my goodness, Disneyland Hotel robes. I'm gonna have to put that on at some point. That's amazing. Okay, so a little place to put your luggage. This is a decent sized closet. Hang some clothes, there's a blanket. Okay, I love the carpet in here. It's very, very fancy, and do you see some hidden Mickeys in the carpet? Very cool. All right, so let's head into the bathroom. That's right here on the right. Nice full-length mirror here to get ready. And then there's the vanity, some towels down there, the Disney soaps, just like at Walt Disney World, which is very cool. Oh, neat and ready. I like that with Walt. That's cool. And then a nice mirror there. Got my ears on, ready for Disneyland, my Cheshire Cat ears. And check out these lamps. Oh my goodness. Here, oh my word, Mickey's holding the lamp. That is adorable. And then there's little Mickeys on the lampshade there, and there's one on each side. That is adorable. All right, and then if you pan over here to the right is the shower. Very cool. Nice tile work there. And over here, let's see if I can find a light. To the left is the separate toilet room, which is nice. There is Dumbo, a picture of Dumbo, that's cool. I don't know if there's any more. Nope, that's it. Okay, and now we'll turn around here, head back out. I like that wallpaper. And there's a little area here. I don't know what you would use it for, maybe. Probably a phone back in the day. They probably put a phone there. But just, you know, put your purse, different things there. There's a nice mirror and some lights. Again, with little Mickeys on those lights. It's very cool. Okay, let me pivot around again. And there's the room. Mom and Dad are hanging out over there in the corner. Say hi. So we have a desk, which I probably will be using to edit some vlogs later on in the week. So we're here for 6 nights. We're so excited. We have a little directory. Oh, we do have a phone over here. And then a telephone and internet information with Walt on it. And check out this cool lamp. Mickey there at the bottom. I like that mirror too, that's cool. Then we have a little place here for our TV, nice big TV. And little area there, it looks like we have a coffee maker, place for your ice, and then Dad, thank you. And here is the refrigerator. Wonder if it's stocked or if it's just we get to put stuff in it. I think it's there, yeah, oh good. We get to put stuff in it, cool. Some drawers. They have some cups, the ice bucket there. Oh, that's cool. Oh my goodness, it's like the retro Disneyland Hotel. Did it look like this when we stayed here? Do you remember that?
Yes.
Okay, that's what I was thinking. I mean, not exactly. This is from probably way back in the day, but I do remember that Disneyland Hotel sign there. That's pretty cool. And over here we have coffee. Oh, we have Joffrey's coffee. Cool. Looks like kind of like a Keurig, but not like a single serve coffee. And then right next to this little dresser area over here, ooh, focus, there we go, is a nice chair that Mom's enjoying. Is it nice? It's cushy?
Comfy.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Cool, and I like your ears and your hat there, guys. Very cool. And then, hang on, I don't want to show you the really cool thing. We do have a cool view, but I'm going to show you that in just a second, because look at this picture. Oh my goodness. I love this picture. Sorry, there's a little glare, but Walt walking out of the back of Sleeping Beauty Castle here. That's what I love about Disneyland. Very cool that Walt was there. But here are our amazing beds. Look at these things. These are awesome. And the castle, Cinderella's castle behind us, that is so pretty. Okay, so also check out these pillows. Okay, we got to start with this one. I'm like, wait, that doesn't make sense. Okay, a dream is a wish your heart makes on this one. And then you come across when you're fast asleep. Oh, I love that. I want these pillows. But you probably need like 2 beds to put them on.
Yes.
So. But I do like this too, and this is cool. This reminds me of fireworks. I don't know, is that what it reminds you of?
I think that's
like little fireworks?
what it's supposed to, yeah.
So check out this view again. Okay, Dad, you ready for the cool thing? I've not even seen this yet. Dad's got to figure out how to work it first.
Gotta figure it out.
Okay.
That's right.
No.
So there's our lamp there. Oh, and we do have little lamps on the side of the bed, which is cool. All right, so I'm getting one more view over here with the blinds closed. I know it's a little hard because the beautiful sun is out. So that's pretty cool. And the curtains here. All right, so Dad is going to push the button and show you this amazing thing. You ready, Dad? Okay, here we go. Did you guys love that? Oh my goodness. I was trying to be quiet so you guys could hear it. That is amazing. Oh my word. And then the lights, I think, stay on because then you can push the button and to turn them off. But wow, that is so cool. That is so cool. What a great touch.
It's like a nightlight at night.
Yeah, we could use this as a little nightlight. That's so neat. Oh, that's so pretty. And then there's a little nightstand here for us to share. There's a clock and a phone, and then this little lamp that Dad lit up for us a minute ago. All right, so this is very cool, but we have something even cooler. Are you guys ready? So Dad is gonna open up the curtains here for us. Give us a big reveal. Oh, you wanna open one side, Mom?
Mom's gonna help.
Okay, open one side, and Dad can do the one side.
Pick them both,
Okay.
and you can do them both. So
All right.
You ready?
I am ready. Go ahead. Hey, Mom. Look at our view. Oh my goodness. So we are on the 11th floor at the Disneyland Hotel. And the elevator, this is as high as it went, so we're assuming this is the top floor, unless there's something up there we don't know about, like a, I don't know, special room or something, but penthouse or something. But this is amazing. Okay, but not only are we on the top floor with these amazing views of the mountains, let me zoom in here for you guys. They're a little foggy there in the distance, but they're so pretty. One thing I miss about Disney, living here in California. But let me zoom back out because we are on the right side to see Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Woohoo! Dad's excited. We were so excited when we got in here. Okay, let me zoom in for you guys. We have the most amazing view ever. I bet we can see fireworks from up here. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, this is awesome. Oh my word, my camera does really well too. That is cool. I'm gonna hold still. Wow. Okay, so we get to go in there in a couple days. When you see this video, we'll already have been in there, but wow, that's amazing. Okay, and I'm gonna pan over here to the right because look, you can see Splash Mountain. You can see the little top of Thunder Mountain. And then you keep panning. There is, I almost said Everest, but no, that is Matterhorn. We're not in Florida, Toto. And you can kind of see the castle. Their castle is very small. It is very close to the Matterhorn there. It's hard to make out here in the picture, but I think if I can point to it, hang on, where's my finger? Oh, big finger! Right in that, well, it's like a shadow because it's so zoomed in, but it's over there, I promise. But whenever we watch fireworks, you'll be able to see where it's at. Also, we have a nice view of the monorail if it goes by here. Right now it's not, but there's the monorail tracks. But wow, this is amazing. All right, I gotta remember, when you're zoomed in, it's very shaky, so sorry guys. But look at that. Wow, we're so excited. When I saw we were on the 11th floor, I'm like, wow, we're on the top floor, but we never thought we would have the view of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. And also, we got an Uber driver on our way over here to the Disneyland Hotel, and he was telling us that right across here is the new parking structure. I'm not sure what it's called, but for Disneyland, and it looks like it's almost ready, and they need it because the other day when we were here, parking was full, and Britt was telling us that, yeah, they definitely need it. So very cool. There's a Disneyland flag, the California flag, and the U.S. flag. Looks like little, what are those things? Oh, that's on a roof. That's not even the, I thought that was the ground level. No, that's something on the roof.
Yeah, the entrance.
The entrance, yeah. And then there's a nice little area down there. We're going to show you the whole hotel. We just wanted to come up to the room, bring our luggage. So now we're going to go back down and show you the lobby. I wish I could get a little view of the monorail. I'm sure it'll come through here soon. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed checking out our room at the Disneyland Hotel in California. We so enjoyed staying there. It was amazing. Highly recommend it if you're in, Disneyland for a little stay or, while you're visiting there too. Stay at the Disneyland Hotel. It is a little expensive, but definitely worth it. So, so cool. And you're right near the magic. I mean, you can literally walk, you can take the monorail, super close. Loved it so much. So leave us a comment down below if you've ever stayed at the Disneyland Hotel before, or if you're excited to stay there the next time you visit Disneyland. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. Check us out on all the social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free Disney planning advice. And also Victor Naraki, he's a realtor here in Central Florida. If you've ever dreamed about living near the magic, check him out at celebratingflorida.com or facebook.com/Naraki Realtor, and he can help you out with that. Make sure you tell him Resort TV 1 sent you. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.